Hello guys, I would like to introduce to you the affordable and refundable travel health insurance for Schengen visa. So this is the care concept. So this is a German company guys, and they are selling travel health insurance for those who will be applying for Schengen visa. It's either for short stay or longer stay. So here in my monitor, I will show you the different policy that Care Concept is selling, that one that I click, and let's scroll down to have more impression about the different policy. If you will going to stay in Schengen area for not more than 90 days, you can choose the policy Care Visa Protect. So this is the cheapest guys, that just 85 euro cents a day you can have your policy. So 85 cents a day, it is equivalent for 51 pesos in the Philippines. So you can book your policy online in just a minute, and I will show you how to do it guys. Just simply follow what I am doing here. So do you need a annual policy or a multiple entry visa? I would say no. Is the policy being concluded is in connection with issue of visa? Okay, yes, because without visa we cannot enter Schengen area. Is the policyholder a company? I said no. And salutation guys, Care Concept just have two options, Miss and Mr. So if you are married or not married, you can choose Miss. So it doesn't matter guys if you don't have option for married one, because yeah, I know in the Philippines if you're married you choose Mrs. but here Miss is fine. Put your first name. It is important to follow the name that is written in our passport. No nickname will be used for your policy guys. And your last name, also what is written in your passport. And your date of birth. So first the day, month, and followed by the year. And you can see your age is automatically computed and appear in the monitor, so you don't need to hide your age actually. So is the policy holder the same person? You can say yes. And let's move on to the next section, policyholder's address. So you need to put your complete address. So you can see here street, building or house number, your zip code, your city or region. So guys, the region is optional. So if you doesn't know your region, it doesn't matter. So as long as you put your street or house number, your zip code and city and country, that would be fine. You are the one who is booking your travel health insurance, so meaning the policyholder and the insured person is the same, so it is automatically filled in by the system of the Care Concept. And let's move on to the next section, wherein you need to input the information about your health insurance. So in this part, you need to input the information about your travel health insurance, the commencement date, or when will be your insurance will begin. You need to input the date and end of the insurance policy. So when you input that guys, you will show how many days your insurance is valid. And now let's move on to information about staying abroad. Days of residency before the start of the trip. So in my case, at the moment I am in the Philippines, so I need to choose Philippines. But if you are in Singapore, Thailand, then you need to look for this country. So as example, I choose Philippines, and as my destination country, I choose Malta as my destination country. Date of entry, December 1, 2024, and the date of entry should be the same to the commencement date of your travel health insurance. And the reason for trip abroad, you can type different reason, like visiting family, visiting friend. Me, I write family visit, so that would be enough. Information about liability and accident insurance. So would you like to add liability or accident insurance? If no, you doesn't want, because this is not mandatory at all but recommended, you can click no. But if you would like to add additional policy as your security abroad, you can click yes. And here they will going to ask you about the insurance type, commencement date, and duration of this additional policy, and they will show up the price for it. So by the way guys, it is not expensive at all. For the payment option, they offer debit card, Visa, and PayPal. So guys, you can choose one out of these three choices. So mostly the problem is Filipino doesn't even have debit card, PayPal, credit card. So if you need assistance booking your travel health insurance, guys, please send me an email. I will help you on how you can book your policy. For me, it is very convenient to use PayPal. And here you can see the computation, how much you need to pay for your policy. Care concept policy is affordable for all of us Filipinos, and the good news is this policy is refundable. So in case you have problems when it comes to immigration, your visa got denied, then you can request to the company to refund your payment. So this is the advantage of this travel company. And after you decided, yes, I want to book this policy, this is very good for me, and you can enter your email address and telephone number. Guys, I will put the link of this website where you can book the insurance policy. So using this website, you can buy this policy very cheap because it is discounted for you, because me as an agent of this insurance policy, I made it affordable for you guys. So just use my insurance link that you can find under the description of this video. Let's continue to our payment. So after you read and agree with the policy term, click submit. And here, before making your payment, you will need to proofread if all the information are written correctly. Application. And if there's no error, then submit your application. So you will need to enter your PayPal details. It depends on you guys what kind of payment method you choose. And if your email was successfully done, you will receive an email instantly from Care Concept about your policy. So you don't need to wait for 1 day, hours. Guys, instantly after payment, you will receive your policy directly to your email. What you just need to do is to download the PDF file attached to this email, have it printed and ready for your visa application. I have booked different insurance policy for Schengen visa application from Care Concept, and I can say guys, the embassy is satisfied about this policy. And now I will show you an example policy from Care Concept. And guys, Care Concept is also in partnership with Advigon. So Advigon also is an insurance company here in Europe. And that is for today's vlog. If you have additional inquiries, guys, type your inquiries below or email me in this email address or follow me in my Facebook page. If you need assistance booking your policy, guys, don't hesitate to contact me. If you need further assistance when it comes to your visa application, writing your cover letter, your application form, flight itinerary or dummy ticket, hotel booking, guys, I will going to provide all of those to you. And if you are not yet subscribed in my YouTube channel, guys, subscribe so you will be notified if I have new videos about visa application and immigration. And before I forget, guys, if you will be traveling to Italy from the Philippines, so you need to avail or buy your policy at the VFS Global. Yeah. Because Italian Embassy in the Philippines, they have their partner company who is selling travel health insurance for those applicants that you can avail in VFS Global on the day of your visa application. And that is for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.